Hello viewers, today I'm going to share a method to make bootable macOS offline installer from Windows. In this way you won't need to depend on network connection while installing macOS. Also you won't need a real Mac system for making USB bootable. We will need few things for doing that. First, we will need EFI folder for your system. You can get EFI folder from my earlier videos or build one with OpCore Simplify. When your EFI folder is ready, keep it in a folder. If you don't have OpCore Simplify, you can simply download it and follow my previous video. Second thing you will need is macOS raw image. You can download macOS raw image from Olarila's website. I'll share the link in description as well. You can download almost all macOS versions raw file from here and install the one you want. Third, you will need a tool to flash raw image to your pendrive. For this purpose, we will need Balena Etcher. You can download and use Balena Etcher on Windows, Mac OS, or in Linux. I already have it downloaded. Then fourth thing you will need is Mini Tool Partition Wizard, which you can search and download free version. I'll share this link as well. The fifth thing you will need is Explorer++. Download it and install. Link shared in description. Now that everything needed is ready, let's open Balena Etcher and start flashing. Select Flash File from your downloads. Then select your USB drive. Your USB device must be larger than 16 GB, possibly 32 GB or more. After selecting, click on Flash and wait. This process will take a while based on your USB drive speed. I'll fast forward until it's done. Now that flashing is done, our USB device has the macOS files ready. We need to put our EFI folder now. Let's open Mini Tool Partition Wizard. From Mini Tool Partition Wizard, select USB device and right-click on EFI partition and select Change Letter. Set a new drive letter and press OK. Now click Apply and finish processing. When it's done, you can close Mini Tool Partition Wizard. As you can see, although our EFI partition is mounted, we can't access it from Windows. For this purpose, we will need Explorer++. Open Explorer++ while opening Run It as administrator, otherwise you can't access EFI partition. Now from Explorer++, copy your EFI folder and paste it into EFI partition of USB device. After copy is done, your pen drive is fully ready for macOS installation offline. You can use it to install macOS on Real Macs as well. Just don't place your EFI folder, and that would boot into Real Macs normally. I tried to explain as briefly as possible. If you still have any doubt or face any issue, leave me a comment. I'll try to help as much possible. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.